Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. Today we're going to show you some of our recent trip to New Mexico. Our first stop is Truth or Consequences, which you can see we're pulling into right now. We decided to make this part of our trip because we love hot springs and they have several. The one we're about to visit sits right on the Rio Grande River and one we definitely recommend visiting. Here you're seeing some views of a nice fig tree outside our Airbnb in Las Cruces, where we stayed for the long weekend. And now we're on the road again, heading out to Alamogordo to go visit the White Sands National Park. White Sands was absolutely mesmerizing, but what made it even better was the pistachio groves and vineyards right outside the park. So we had to go there next and try a taste of the desert. The wine and pistachios were great, but we decided to get back on the road to check out one more area. We wanted to go see a little bit more of Las Cruces, and so we wound up running into their weekly farmers market, and this day was actually Small Business Saturday, so there was a lot going on. We picked up some local honey, some pecans, and some Christmas ornaments. There's another view of the Organ Mountains to the south of the city. And rounding out our trip, we had to check out the Farm and Ranch Heritage Museum. We got to see some really cute animals, so it was a great close to our trip. Thanks for watching.